how we can find the stationary matrix or the stationary vector for a matrix like this. So we've had some problems that look like this. We can find the stationary matrix just inside the Excel program. Okay, so the first step is, just like 2x2s, you need to turn the rows into columns, columns into rows. So the first step would just be to turn these into the rows. So switch that out. Getting closer. Okay, so now we've done that. Now the next step is to set it equal to 1, because what we've done here is we have x, y, z equals x, x, y, z equals y, and x, y, z equals z. Okay, now we need to subtract it. So we can go equal sign the x minus this x over here. That's what we want. And then just equals, this is just going to transfer, this is going to transfer, and this needs to be 0 now because we subtracted that over. This can just transfer as it was, equals sign. Here we have to subtract the y, so we subtract that, and the z stays the same, and this becomes a 0. And next, we transfer the x there, transfer the y, and for this z, we need to subtract the z there, set that equal to 0. There we go. Okay, now we need to normalize this, which means we need a row of 0, or I'm sorry, a row of 1s. That way this is normalized. So x plus y plus z equals 1 through that. They can't be negative, okay? So this is going to help ensure that. Now the last step is to find that vector in which we can find the stability vector. So how are we going to do that? Well, one way to do it is to use this method here, is to exploit our matrix algebra to do this. Now, to solve for the variables x, we need to go b times a inverse. Well, I'm just going to use these as my b here, and I can do the inverse with Excel. So I'm going to hit equal sign m molt, okay, and then I'm going to find the inverse, so that's m inverse of this square matrix right here at the bottom, close parentheses, comma, and then highlight this vector here, the 0, 0, 1, close parentheses, enter, and there you are. There's the stability matrix. So that's all you really need to do if you're using Excel. Okay, I hope that helps.